Hello guys, it's Luke Mead here, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to back up your WordPress website. The first thing we need to do is download the Duplicator WordPress plugin. It is a totally free plugin for backing up your website. I highly recommend it. It's very popular online, so there's lots of tutorials out there to help you use it. What we're going to do is search Duplicator in the plugins area, and it's probably the first one you're going to see. Here we go. It's have over 1 million activations and it is extremely popular. And as I said before, it is free, so I highly recommend you use it because there's no downside to it. And if you want, there is a paid version which you can get involved with, which is even better. And I have the paid version that costs, $100 Australian, $70 US, and it's worth its weight in gold. Anyway, here we are. I've installed the plugin and activated it, and we'll see it appears on the left hand side. I'll quickly show you a bit about the plugin and how it works. So the way it works is you have these packages which you can create, and of course a package reflects how your website's currently built. So if we create a package now, it's going to package up and duplicate everything that's on the website. Now, I'll show you how to do this. So we're going to hit create new package, and I'll show you a little bit about it. First, we can give it a name. We can call it test_website. So we've got three things that this Duplicator plugin is going to deliver. It's going to deliver the storage, which is where it's going to be saving to. In this case, it's going to be saving onto the server where this website's hosted. And then we have the archive zip, which is what it's going to zip up into. And we have the files, and we have the databases, and that's what website is made up of. And then we have an installer file, which is how you can then reinstall this onto a new website. So we're not going to change anything in here. We're going to hit next, and it is going to scan the website and make sure that it can package it up neatly to be redeployed safely, and it's going to make a good backup. So let's have a little look. Everything is good so far. That's just telling us that there's no issues with the system. There is a notice with the size that it is quite big. It's 1/4 GB, which isn't that bad. And other than that, everything else is good. So we can hit this because the notice has been detected. We want to continue, that's fine. And we want to hit build. This is going to start packaging up our website. Keep in mind, the website's still going to be available. Essentially, it's just copying the website and safely backing it up. So let's hit build, and you'll see it will start to build the package. This might take 3 or 4 minutes depending on the size of your website. Could even take 10 if it's a really large website. Keep in mind, if your website's over 2 GB, then there's a good chance that this isn't going to work, and you might need to invest in the paid Duplicator plugin, which, like I said, is about $70 US or $100 Australian. So I really recommend that if your website is over 2 GB. In this case, I should be fine. So now this is done. It's been packaged up and it took 70 seconds. Now we have two files it delivers us, the installer and the archive files. We can download both, or we can download each individually. So I'm just going to hit download both, and that will download this as a zip file, which you want to do. So here we go. Just quickly, if you look into my downloads, you will see we have the installer zip file, and we have this website file here, which is still downloading. Now, both of these files can then be redeployed on your website if you need to, or you can upload them to a different server to redeploy onto a new website. That's how easy it is to safely back up your WordPress website.